guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laura with Tuxedo Planners, and today I'm going to do another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. And this planner is my personal household planner that I use, where my other Hobonichi that I just did is for my social media and my Etsy shop planning. So today we're going to be planning for the week of May 20th through the 26th. And let's get started. I wanted to show you guys, first of all, these cute little tabs I have on the side. These little Disney tabs. 6 marks all the months off in my Hobonichi. I thought those were so cute. I had to have them. I have one with Woody from Toy Story that marks off my notes section. You know, I have to have a little Disney in my Hobonichi. Anyway, all right, so let's get into the plan with me. The kit I'm going to be using is this PlannerKate kit, and it is the beautiful blueberry kit. And I've already put the dates in on the date strip there. So this should be a fairly short plan with me this time. I've also gone on and outlined some of my boxes that I like to do, so I've done that ahead of time, and kind of did a little bit different with my weather boxes here. I kind of put a line in between so I could write the high and the low temperature there. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get started with my bottom washi, as usual. Oops, right off the bat I'm putting it down crooked, of course. All right. I think this is a beautiful kit. Blueberry season for us in Western North Carolina is in July. That's when all the wild blueberries are ripe enough for you to go outside and pick. The best place to go here for that is, I think I've mentioned this before, is the graveyard fields up on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And beautiful out there this time of year. And if you go out there, there's waterfalls that you can walk to and everything. Really nice, but tons of blueberry bushes. All right, so the next thing I'm going to put down is my date covers here. See if I can't get those in here without getting them. Oh, for heaven's sakes, come on. What's going on in everybody's neck of the woods? There's not much going on in ours. It's been quiet after that last incident with the horses and our horses being let out. All right, so I'm going to go on and just put my line around these. I think I'm starting to like the idea of them being gridded off. It does give it a little something extra, I think, on the spread. Kind of stands out a little bit more, I guess. All right, so now I can go in and put my other bottom washi in. Yep, so not much more excitement have we had, and that's a good thing. We don't need any more excitement around here than what we normally have. The temperature's finally turning warm. Anyway. Right now it's downright hot outside in my opinion, and I think it's just like 80. It's sad when you think you've lived in the mountains so long you think 80 is hot. I used to live in Florida. And I think we're just going to leave that. All right, so I'm going to put my top washi in up here. So we used to live in Florida, and that was like, oh, excruciatingly hot. If you guys are, I'm sure you're all familiar with how hot Florida is. But, so we decided to escape from down there and move up to the mountains. And we've been here in the mountains now for, oh my gosh, it's probably been, I think we moved here in 03. So I think it's been about 18 years or 19 years it'll be this year. Can't believe it's been that long since I've moved up here. Seems like yesterday. I was just packing up my house and moving my 2 little kids My husband and I are moving our 2 little kids up here. But we love it. If you have never been to the Asheville area, you guys need to come try it out. It's really awesome. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick another box, these strip boxes here. And this is, of course, going down crooked. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me, please. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh my gosh, now it's all kinked up on here. Here. That'll just have to do. It'll do. It'll do, pig. It'll do. All right, so now I'm going to put down my habit trackers down here. I do like the PlannerKate gives you some habit trackers to use. So I'm going to put these guys right down here. And the couple things I keep on my habit trackers, remembering to take my medications. Well, my medication, I only have really one. I have to remember to take it, and there's a couple of other things I track as well, so I'll put those there. You guys see? Make sure your guys are in frame. I'm just rattling off and not really checking after you guys. And I think I'm going to put some strips down. I need to put on Monday the plumber's coming at 2 o'clock. We have sprung a leak in our basement. Not the first time we have sprung a leak, but this leak is in a different spot. So we had to call the plumber, who will be out Monday at 2 o'clock to take care of that. So I'm going to go on and put that in. And I'm trying to decide where I want to put these little check mark things. I think I'm going to do what I normally do and just run them down the bottom of the page here. I'll start here and just put them here. Maybe I'll put them here. No, that won't leave me enough room. I'm going to do it here. I've decided. They're going here. All right, so this will be for my to-dos for the week. Got that. You guys still in frame? Yep. Okay, you're good. I don't want to lose you guys. So leave me a comment below and tell me what the weather's been like in your neck of the woods. Are you guys getting some warm weather now, or is it perpetually summer where you live, or you still got some winter hanging around? Hopefully your winter's gone and you won't have that hanging around. All right, I did space these out some. More like, these are going to be probably more like daily to-dos than anything. So that'll leave that done. And then I've got some of these boxes here, which I think I'm going to use just, first of all, I'm going to put one here. And no, I don't like that. Okay, let's see. Sometimes these little stickers are so tiny to work with. You can't grab them very well. Well, that's all crooked, all kinds of crooked, isn't it? Tell you guys it's warm today, and I have my window open, so I hate to turn on the air because it's not really air conditioned to me time, but it's probably because I'm underneath all these filming lights. There it goes. It'll be good enough there. It's probably because I'm underneath all these lights filming. So that probably has something to do with it. All right, I'm going to put another on Wednesday. And probably will put another one of these here to section off my time frame. Do you guys ever use kits and feel like you have to use every single little tiny sticker in the kit, or you feel wasteful? Sometimes I feel like that. I feel like if I don't use this whole kit, then I'm going to feel wasteful with it. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. That's how I feel. I think, well, you know, I bought the kit. I feel like I need to use all of it. And I end up not using all of it, and then I'm like, got these little pieces laying around everywhere. I think that's just going to have to stay that way. All right, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of these boxes. I didn't get a weekend banner, so I'm probably going to put this one here and just use my handy dandy knife cutter thing this is going to mark the weekend for me. And of course, you know, this is the weekend that we're going out of town. So I'm just going to go on and just mark that, get that, and just mark my weekend with this. Oh, maybe I didn't cut it enough. I'm so afraid I'm going to cut this paper. There we go. Okay, so I'll put a little weekend thing there. And then she's got these strips. Not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. What to do, people. All right, I think I'm going to leave it as is. Let me write in some information here that I have. And I'm using a Sharpie pen on these stickers. All right, so we have my husband's work schedule is 7 to 4. I'm not sure what my son is. My husband is 7 to 4 on Tuesday. Oh, here we go. My son is 8 to 4 on Monday, and on Tuesday he is off. All right, my son-in-law has a dentist appointment on Monday, so let me write that down. His dentist appointment is at 1 o'clock on Monday. So we'll just put that here. All right, so we got those stickies taken care of. Oh, and real quick, look what came in, guys. My Simply Gilded washi just came in the mail. So excited. Look at this beautiful little bow that she sent. Isn't that cute? There's a pre-order. She's doing a pre-order today. I'm hoping I can jump in on that and get some of that beautiful May washi that she's releasing today. So I'd like to do that. All right, I need to get some other stickers. I didn't really have all my stickers in place, but I'll do that. All right, guys, so I think this is going to be it for me. I know this was a quick plan with me and a lot shorter than my usual videos, but this is what it's going to look like for right now. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll stay up to date with what it looks like throughout the week as I take Instagram and upload. And if you guys like my video, please think about sharing with others. And also, if you like my content, hit subscribe down below. That means the world to me. And the notification bell to be notified of when I upload. And leave me some comments, guys. I love to talk with you guys and see how everything's going. And with that, I'm off. Bye, guys. Have a good day.